the same feather tend to flock together. Some are eagles, some vultures. Energy vampirism is their culture. They don't flap their wings, they use your wind to fly. They'll use you up and suck you dry. Some are lions, some are sheep. Others are wolves out on the creep, drinking our blood to suit their fancy. Got plenty in stock right in the pantry. What are they doing at the Grove? They got something special cooking on the stove. Vampires in the shadows are on the prowl. Some's watching in the trees, and now it's time to rise up and strike them down. Take them to the train station in your town. We can't leave the future to the wolf and vulture. If we do nothing, it will be demons and sulfur. Scientific, technocratic, medical dictatorship. Social credit score through your microchip. Totalitarian assimilation through human augmentation. Cognitive neurology with synthetic biology. Biosignal acquisition for molecular communication. Integrated photonics network for the bioelectric medicine wet work. Wake up from your slumber, who's sleeping giant? We've been asleep while they've been defiant. God bless us with divinity. Use the guiding force from the Holy Trinity. Birds of the same feather tend to flock together. Some are eagles, some vultures. Energy vampirism is their culture. They don't flap their wings, they use your wing to fly. They'll use you up and suck you dry. Say to rise up and strike them down. Take them to the train station in your town.